Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Expedition to a garage door opener. First, locate the 3 Home Link buttons, usually found on your vehicle's overhead console. Next, clear any existing programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer Home Link buttons for approximately 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Finally, ensure you have your garage door opener's remote control handy and working properly. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process. For standard garage door openers, begin by positioning your garage remote 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link buttons. Now, simultaneously press and hold your desired Home Link button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the Home Link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. This indicates successful programming for non-rolling code systems. If you have a rolling code garage door opener, the process has an extra step. First, press and hold the desired Home Link button until the indicator light begins to flash slowly. Next, quickly go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Expedition and press the previously programmed Home Link button 3 times. This final action synchronizes the rolling codes. If you encounter any issues, first try replacing the battery in your garage door remote control. A weak battery can hinder programming. For some older garage door opener models, you might need a Home Link repeater kit, which helps bridge compatibility gaps. Always consult your Ford Expedition's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or additional troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you should successfully connect your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.